Hey friends, let's get straight into it, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're going to start on a G chord. We'll do down, up, down, up. Then play the open A string and hammer onto the 2nd fret. Open D, 3rd fret on the B, and hold the G chord while you're doing that. Then we're going to a C add 9, but we're going to leave the E string open. So we have 3rd fret on the A, 2nd on the D, open G, 3rd fret B, open E, and same strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up. Now this time we're going to play the open B, hammer onto the 3rd fret, pull off to the open. Play the open G and then the open D. So our hand comes off and we play that open D. So slowly. And then straight back to the G. And for our intro, repeat that 2 times. Then our verse, we come in and we just keep repeating that same lick another 3 times there for our verse. So for our pre-chorus, guitar 1, we just do a slide, play the D power chord, then do a down up muted, play the D again. Then we're playing 7D, 7G, play 8 on the B, pull off to 7, back to 9G. So play the C power chord, do a down up palm muting, and then just hit the 3rd fret harmonic on the B string. Come in with your bar and then just a G power chord. And that's guitar 1. Guitar 2 is pretty easy, we just play the D power chord, play it again. And then on the C chord, we're going to do the down, mute, down, mute, down, and then do 2, pull off to the open, back to the G. And then the parts for the pre-chorus. From there, we just go back to our verse with our acoustic guitar, and we play it 3 times again. So for our pre-chorus, it's similar to our first pre-chorus. Guitar 1, we do the slide in, play the D, 2 mutes, back to the D, and our little fill, 7D, 7G, 8, pull off to 7 on the B, back to 9 on the G. Go to the C, 2 mutes, C again, then do on the A, 5, slide to 7, 5th fret D and G. Go back to the D again and do it the same. With our little fill. Then just hold the C, play the 5th fret harmonic on the B, 5th on the G. Then we have guitar 2, that's just doing the slide again, play the D 3 times, to the C 3 times, back to the D 3 times. Then we're doing the C again, we do it 4 times, 2, and then we've got this little fill on the A string, 2, hammer onto 3, pull off to 2, pull off to the open. And they're all the parts of the pre-chorus. So guitar 1 for our chorus, we just play the G chord, then do an upstroke, then play on the E string 3, slide to 5, 2nd fret A, open D, then play the D chord another 2 times, then do 2 on the G, slide up to 4, play 3 on the B, back to 4 on the G, then go to an E minor or an E power chord, mute, play it again, then do an upstroke on the open B and G, second fret on the D, 2 palm mutes on the E, then go to a C power chord, another 2 times, then we're doing our little fill, A string, 2, hammer onto 3, pull off to 2, pull off to open. Then we repeat that all again, the G, our fill, to the D, our fill, to our E minor, our up, 2 palm mutes, this time just hold the C, and then we just go G, to the C at 9, mute, play it again, and then do the same with the G, G, mute, G, back to our C at 9. Now guitar 2 is pretty easy, we're just playing the G, then the D 3 times, to the E, 2 palm mutes, to the C, and our little fill, do the same, G, D 3 times, our E, 2 palm mutes, and just hold the C, and the second guitar to finish the chorus just does the same. G, C at 9, back to the G, back to the C at 9. And that's our chorus here. Then we go back to the verse with the acoustic guitar, and we have these little fills here. So we're going to start on G, 14, bend, release, pull off to 12. Play 14 again, pull off to 12, 14 D, 14 G, back to 12. Then for a second fill we just do a mute, play the 12th fret on the G and the B, do another mute and then do 12, pull off to 9 on the G, on the D 12, 9 and on the A 10. And that's our second verse there. Then for our second pre-chorus we play it all the way through the same, except our last C, we play the C, then we do a tapped harmonic on the 17th fret G, 17th fret B. Then just play the 5th fret harmonic on the G. And that's guitar 1, and guitar 2 stays exactly the same. Then for our next chorus, guitar 1 and 2 stay the same, except we finish just on the C, instead of going back to the G, to the C at 9, we have a little change there, so let me play that for you. So this time we're doing the slide, play the G, play the 1st fret on the B, open G, then open G and B, back to 1st fret B, open G. And all while we're holding the G chord, so go back to the G, open G, 1st fret B, back to open G and B, and then we just do this little fill on the A, 3, pull off to 2, pull off to open 3 on the E. And that's our second chorus there. So for our bridge, we're just doing a slide, play the A power chord, and on the A string, 3, 2, open, 3rd fret on the E, then play an E power chord, play the open E and B, do the same run again, 3, 2, open, 3, back to the A, repeat, 3, 2, open, 3, and then just finish on D. Now guitar 2 is doing exactly the same, except on the second A we're playing, instead of doing the 3, 2, open 3, we're just doing pinched harmonics on 5 G, 4 on the G, back to the D, 7 and 5 with pinched harmonics there. And they're all the parts for the bridge. So our solo rhythm's pretty easy, and we'll do our solo at the end. We just have G, mute, G to C, C, mute, C, C, back to G, G, mute, G, 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 back to C, C, mute, C, C, then go F, back to G, G, mute, G, 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 C, mute, C, 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 then come up to D, do D, mute, D, D, back to C, C, mute, C, 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 D, D, mute, D, D, then go C, C, mute, C, to G, and just the third fret on the A, and then we just go back to playing our acoustic guitar 2 more times there. Then we have the verse, we repeat that again with the acoustic guitar. Then we have our pre-chorus again, we just play it through once, and guitar 1 and 2 both just end on the C before we go back to our chorus. Now let me talk you through this last chorus because it's pretty similar to our previous choruses. The first time we're going to do G, mute, G, our fill stays the same, to our D, 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 fill stays the same. E, mute, E, our upstroke, 2 palm mutes to our C, 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 and our fill. Then just go to the G, do an upstroke, all the rest stays the same. To the D, 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 our fill, back to our E, our upstroke, 2 palm mutes to our C, and our fill. Now this time there's a second guitar playing a pinched harmonic on the 2nd fret on the D. Then we repeat that all again without the pinched harmonics. The G, our fill, D, 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 our fill, E minor, to our C, our fill. Repeat that again. To the D, fill, E minor. Now this is just going to change a little bit. We're going to play C, 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 then play C, mute, mute, C, mute, mute, C. Then we have this little fill here on the A string, 2, 3, 2, open, 2, open, to the E string, 3, open, 3. So back to the G, just play it once, no upstroke, the rest stays the same. D, to the E, to our C, our fill, then just G, then just play the D, leave out the fill there 3 times, G to the E, and finish on the C. And each time you hear the pinched harmonic, it's just the 2nd fret on the D there. Now we have our outro, let's have a look at that. So we're just starting on the G chord, play E, A, open, G, D, then go to the E, B, G, D. Then go to our C add 9 with our open E string, play A, D, B, G, open E, B, G, open D there. So we've taken our finger off, back to the G the same. To the C add 9, play A, D, B, G. Then we're going to strum the C add 9 chord, but add your 3rd finger onto the E string. Slide up to the 5th fret, so you can take your 1st finger off, back to the 3rd fret. So then play 2nd fret on the G, 1st fret on the B, slide up 2 frets, slide back, and then just our G chord. That's the outro. Now let's have a look at the outro solo, and then we'll do the main solo. So we're going to do this all legato. 15, pull off to 12 on the E, hammer onto 15B, pull off to 12, hammer onto 14G, pull off to 12, and do that 3 times. Then bend 14 G, release, pull off to 12, 14 on the D, back to 12 on the G. Then do 11, hammer onto 12 on the G, play 11. Then we have this little pedal tone, 12 on the D, 11 G, 12 D, 12 on the G, 12 D, 11 on the G, 12 D, 14 on the D, and then just play the open E string with your bar. And that's the outro solo. Now let's have a look at the main solo. So start with a slide, and on the E string do 5, hammer onto 7, pull off to 5. Same on the A, same on the D. Then just move up to the 7 on the D, hammer onto 9, pull off to 7. Same on the G. Then play the 8 B. Then do 7, hammer on to 8 on the B. Bend the 8, release it, pull off to 7 and play 8 again. Then we're doing this pedal tone, B, 7, 8, 5, 8, G, 7, back to B, 8, 5 on the G, B, 8, 4 on the G, back to 8 on the B, 7 on the D, 8 on the B, 5 on the D, 8 on the B. Then we're bending the 7th fret on the G with a pinched harmonic, bend, release, bend. Then just play 7. Then we have E, 3, A, 5, D, 7, G, 4, back to D, 5, back to G, 7, slide to 9. Then on the B go 8, E, 10, slide up to 15, pull off to 12, hammer onto 15 B, pull off to 12, hammer onto 14 G, pull off to 12. Then bend 14 G, release the bend, pull off to 12, then G, 14, 12, D, 14, 12. Bend 15 on the B, do a pinched harmonic. So release the bend and just play 15 B with a pinched harmonic, open G with your bar. Bend 17 E, release the bend, so play it and release it, pull off to 15 and play 17. Then we're going to do 14 G, bend, release, pull off to 12, D14, G14, D14, G12. Then legato 14, 12 on the D, A, 14, 12, slide back to 10, hammer onto 12, bend and release, pull off to 10, do 12 on the E, back to A, 12, 10. So we have. Then we're bending 11 G with your bar, come in, let it come up, release the bend, pull off to 9, hammer onto 11, pull off to 9, slide back to 4. Then play the 4 again, hammer onto 5 on the G, 7 on the D, 4 on the G, 5 on the D, then back to 7 on the D, 4 G, 5 on the D. Then we're coming in with our bar, play the 12th fret on the G, do the same with the 7th fret G, then do a pinched harmonic on the 3rd fret on the B, come in with your bar and hit the 4th fret on the G. And that's our solo, and that's all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed I Remember You Guitar Lesson by Skid Row. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.